Hey, before we start today's video, guys, I just wanted to let you know that Bruce is doing a giveaway on Instagram. He always paints these really cool cups. If you've seen the videos and stuff, imagine like, you know, those mirror finishes and everything done like a Yeti cup. So if you're interested in trying to win one of those, go check out Bruce's giveaway and let's get started. Welcome back to another week at the paint shop. And let me tell you, this is an exciting one. We finished not one, but two projects. At the end of last week, the guys got the gasser running and it was super exciting to see. So let's check it out.
What do you think, Doug?
Hey, Eric!
How's everything going?
There's a little extra brake bleeding we had to do to the old girl. We're getting her ready for a little drive up the street now. Pretty gnarly. I just hope she stops as good as she sounds like she'll go. That's what makes you a great video guy. You go the extra mile.
How's the car feeling?
Feels better.
Which brings us to today. Well, we've actually got the 454 finished, cleaned and polished, and I got some nice B-roll of that. I say nice, it was really bright outside and I didn't see the back of, I couldn't really see the back of my display that well. It wasn't me trying to be really artsy with this, it was me just trying to save the footage. So let's roll that in. And of course, I wasn't gonna leave you guys hanging. I got a bunch of rolling footage of KC driving the gasser around and some pretty good reactions as we take it to the drive-thru, so check it out.
I can't see Damn scoop's so damn tall, I can't even tell where I'm turning. I don't know if I want to drive this thing down the highway. Pizza cutters on this thing. It looks like it's just walking. Dude, I'm watching your hands right now. Feels like a old I Love Lucy show. Like you got the green screen in the background and everything. The road, just doing this behind us. One of the people at Jimmy John's are gonna think we rolled through the parking lot. I don't mind, is it hot? Holes in the firewall? Yeah, I feel that heat coming through. Right, God, son. The Misfits built this. And honestly, I quit watching Gas Monkey while I was still on there, so I never watched any of the Misfit shows. Couldn't tell you anything about this build. I can tell you what we did to it though. So, Jamie didn't like the motor that was in it. Hold on. So he changed the motor, the transmission. The rear end was the original rear end, just welded up. Or had a Aussie or whatever was in it. So he was about to shear the studs off of it. They were already twisted. Shit. So Jamie built a motor for it. Jamie Wells over WCH Engines owns this now. So he built a motor, had a transmission built. We built a 9-inch for it. Radiator. Rewired the whole car so it didn't have headlights, taillights, turn signals, nothing in it. has headlights, turn signals, stop lights, reverse lights, everything works. And then the gauges that were in it were just underneath the dash. And I wanted to put, and so did Jamie, put new gauges in the dash. We put decoded digital gauges in it, so it had the factory dash. We don't have anything hanging out underneath it. So we just kind of got it to where it was really built like a race car before. It didn't need headlights, taillights, nothing like that. So it's just, they built it to go down the strip. And Jamie wants to drive it, so he brought it to us. And we made it to where it's street legal. That's pretty much it. I mean, I say pretty much. Oh, and the windows didn't work. They didn't have windows in it. So we put all new windows in it, put the regulators, cleaned everything up, got it all, got it going, and it seems to be fine now. No issues. He said, I want to be able to drive with the windows up. With the holes that are in this firewall, I wouldn't want to drive with the windows up, period. I don't care if it's winter. That's still, dude, that's got to be 150-degree air coming through there. It's just coming right off the headers. It's toasty. My left knee, it's not getting suntan, it's getting wind burned right now. Yeah. It's a cool ass car though.
It really is.
I love gassers. I love gasser trucks. Before I gave that unibody to my wife, I was going to turn it into a straight axle unibody gasser. That was my plan. Actually rides really well. That's here. So I just set my arm on the... Howdy. Thank you. I just stole it. It ain't mine. I just put my arm on here trying to look cool. Thank you. Burned at me, but I didn't pull my arm up because I didn't want to look like it's hot. I'm going to muscle through it though. What are we doing?
Yeah.
Making a video.
It'll be on video?
Yeah. Go to my YouTube, you'll see yourself on the video tomorrow. She made her sandwich.
What's the video gonna be on?
Our YouTube, Casey's Paint Shop. Casey's Paint Shop.
Hang up, alright.
Y'all be good. This thing actually rides really good. Like, I'm so nervous, but it doesn't. It even rides.
I got a camera back
The
there.
peer pressure's like getting. Dude, we just did a quarter-mile burnout wheelie. Can you believe that? I don't know. We're good. He's trying to speed up and catch us.
What do you think?
That's badass.
Nothing's weird, doesn't rattle, doesn't do anything crazy. You
Right.
gotta drive it.
Sure. I'm fixing to drive it back to work.
Keep up with you.
It is, man. It does. You notice it coming down the road.
Oh God.